Former Brazilian football star and three-time World Cup champion Pelé died on Thursday at the age of 82 in a hospital in Sao Paulo. Pelé had been hospitalized since November 29th due to a respiratory infection after he contracted COVID-19, and for the reassessment of the treatment of colon cancer. On Thursday afternoon, the hospital announced his death. According to a report from the hospital, Pelé died due to the failure of multiple organs as a result of the progression of colon cancer associated with his previous medical condition. His funeral will be held at the home of his former club Santos on Monday.
O legado que brasileiro é bom de bola. Acho que o Brasil começou a ser conhecido como o país do futebol e a camisa 10, todo mundo quer jogar por causa dele. Eu acho que ele começou a fazer um grande número de gols bonitos, decisivos, e aquele jeito decisivo, aquele arranque que me levou a ser ídolo do Santos e ter ele como ídolo, né? Ele pegava a bola lá atrás e ia saindo, vibrando todo mundo.
Pelé's celebrated career included 732 goals in 792 games for club and country.